What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be trying out Lasfit's Windshield sunshade protector. This is a custom fit. I've never had one of these in my life for any of these little, because they're usually like a little cheap one you get at the auto parts store, and I'm not a big fan of the way those look. It looks flimsy. The way I've seen these, this looks really cool. It's custom fit to this Toyota Tacoma that I have, and it's like an umbrella. It pops out. It has its own like little carrying case. So I'm really excited because I live in the panhandle of Florida. It gets above 100 degrees every day here in the summertime, and it's just baking inside of my truck, sitting in my driveway or at work. I work 48-hour shifts at the fire department, so my truck just sits out in the sun for 2 straight days as well there. So I'm excited. We'll get this unboxed. It looks like it's small enough to maybe even fit in like one of my water bottle holders, so that would be really cool too. I'll see if they have a discount code. I can't remember if they gave me one or not, but I'll leave a link for that in the description as well as the product link. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like seeing product reviews like this and me try out different stuff. It really helps to make more videos like this. So we'll get into the unboxing real quick and see what all's in here. Big box into a smaller box. Put this one out of the way here. Got a nice picture of it on here, as we can see. Next into that box, wrapper. So this is the actual carrying case that it's going to be in. Pretty nice. A little handle carrying strap here, and a zipper. Got a few instruction cards here on how to install it. A couple scan codes, one of those little packs that save you, and also Amazon card here. Have a Velcro strap, just like a typical umbrella for the most part as far as that goes. And then we'll have a spot to push it out. So we'll get my cameraman in here so we can get a shot from behind the seat of me actually putting this in the windshield. Alright, so to deploy this thing, we're just going to unvelcro the strap. That's also where your split for your mirror is at. You can just start pulling back on this right here. You'll make sure your sun visors are up out of the way. So we'll pull this back. It's kind of like that dinosaur on Jurassic Park. We can lock it into place there. Come right over the dash. And this is custom fit for a Tacoma. So this is going to fit the windshield exactly. This rod will break loose over the top of your entertainment system there. You have a Velcro. This end Velcro is for wrapping it up to pack it away. This one is for when you're actually deploying it. It's got Velcro right here on the end. So you'll get that around. Just tuck that over behind the mirror. You can place it nice and out and evenly along the edges. You flip your sun visors down, and you can see the amount of coverage on this thing. So with it being custom fit like this is really, really awesome. So this is going to knock down so much heat on this truck, and you can really get this tucked away as much as you want to cover every little inch. But super easy to deploy. And that took me a few seconds to pop this out, put it in place, and this would knock all the heat off my truck. Maybe I want to take a nap in the middle of the day in my truck. Just want to get you guys a shot of how much coverage this is from the inside, but check out the outside. Let's see if I can extend my camera up here to show you guys. It is full coverage, wall to wall. There is not a peep of sunlight coming through there. Just blacked out, nice and convenient. Definitely happy with that kind of protection from the sun. Cover my dash, my seats, not getting worn out through the years. Definitely gonna use this all the time, so super big win there. So now we'll pack it back down. So we come out of the truck, it's already nice and cold, thank God, because of the sun visor. So we'll flip our mirrors back up. We're gonna unvelcro this, work it back away from that, come over the entertainment system here. Once we get it over and above, we can push the button to release. Just push the rod back in, packs right down. All we gotta do is take this, We have our Velcro strap right here. We just wrap it around one time, back to itself there. And now we can place it back in the case. On my zipper end here. Just tuck it back away in there. Don't want to zip anything up. And now it's just like a little pill form where I can leave this out on my dash if I wanted to, or I can stick it in a cup holder over here on the side, or maybe underneath the seat, or just in my back seat, but just somewhere handy where I can get to it really quick and deploy it. So once again, this has been a really awesome product. Really excited about this thing. I'm going to be using this every day. It's going to be a game changer for my life, because I hate coming out to a hot car when we've been sitting at the mall or at work, or my truck's always in our driveway at our house and it's just a million degrees right now. It's over 100 degrees in July and August when we're filming this. So I can't wait to start using this every single day of my life. I definitely need to get one of these if you don't already have one. This is the most fancy one I've ever seen before. The cheap ones I've seen are like little fold out and they take up a ton of room. So this is awesome, convenient, small, compact. Like I said, I don't know if there's a discount code or not, but I will leave it in the description along with a link to the product. You guys don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this or some more products from Lasfit. They're kind of curious to know what you guys want to see, so y'all let me know if you want to try out their blinker bulbs or floor mats or whatever else they have available. Maybe bed mat, we'll try all that out too. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Y'all have a great day.